Tapos na ho mga kaibigan ng prosesyon ng Biyernes Santo at pagkatapos ng prosesyon ay nagtungo kami dito sa bahay ng Orca family at nagkaroon kami ng kunting salo-salo at kasama po natin ngayon ang dating parish priest ng Pasuquin, Ilocos, Norte, si Father Jojo. Okay, good evening Father, thank you so much. Father, ilang taon mo kayo naging parish priest ng Pasuquin?
I was here for 6 years as usual for our term as pastors of a parish. 6 years.
6 years.
2002 to 2008.
Okay po, Father. During your term po, doon po nagsimula yung sinasabi natin improvement ng procession tuwing Semana Santa. Okay. I want to ask, Father, how it all started?
Yeah, it all started when a guy whose name is Ray Aguinaldo.
Oh, that's Tito Ray, of DNR.
DNR, who was then in charge of a certain image. She was then suggesting that, Father, if we can improve our possession of the different images during the Holy Week. I have one image, and I could ask some people, we can ask some people to have other images.
Oh.
Yes, and I said, okay, it would be very good because, of course, as we all know, the theology of icons, which really help people to appreciate and to come to know the meaning of the Passion of Christ through the images. And so I agreed with it, and he contacted his friends here and abroad.
Okay, so doon po nagsimula yung mga connections among sa mga kamareros na. Okay. I would also like to ask this personal question, Father, kasi pansin ko po tuwing Semana Santa, pabalik-balik po kayo dito sa Pasuquin at nagpapasalamat po kami dyan. Okay, I want to ask, Father, what keeps you coming back here in Pasuquin?
Of course, I take pride of Pasuquin because of the fact that we have the best images and most beautiful images ever here in Ilocos Norte. And besides, I also love Pasuquin very much, particularly this parish, because I found you, this parish as a loving, very supportive community to the church.
Okay, thank you so much, Father. At nagpapasalamat din po kami kasi isa kayo sa mga nag-allow or pumayag na maging mapaganda ang posisyon pa ng Pasuquin at para po madagdagan na din ng iba't ibang importanteng karakter ng Passion of the Christ. Thank you so much, Father Jojo. Thank you so much.